Hello guys, and welcome to another video. This video is about how to make your PC 10 times faster. Now before we start, I just wanted to say today I gained 40 subs. Thanks for that, by the way. But then 2 hours later I lost all 40 subs, so please, even if you're subscribed, check again because YouTube must have unsubbed you from me. Thanks for the support. Okay, make sure to like this video so the YouTube algorithm doesn't bully me. And wait, only 20% of you are subscribed? Make sure to slap that subscribe button, slappers. Okay, let's go. Before we start, this is the Geekbench results for my computer before the optimization. So these are the results for the GPU and the single core CPU and the multi-core CPU. I think my computer is a 4-core CPU, but I'm not 100% sure. Okay. Step 1, choosing a power plan. Now remember this, every time you open up your computer, make sure to refresh it. Right click on your desktop and click refresh. So, go to your search bar and search and choose a power plan. You click on it, then there are going to be 2 or 3 options. Most of the time it's 2. The first option is balanced, which is a performance thingy. Then we got high performance, which is for low-end to mid-range PCs, so they take up more power. There's battery saver for saving the battery, and then there is ultra performance for mid-range to high-end PCs. When you've done that, click refresh. Step 2 is starter apps. To do this, right click on your taskbar and click on task manager, then maximize the task manager window, then click on startup. There are going to be a couple of softwares and apps that are going to show up depending on what you've downloaded and stuff. Now you can enable or disable anything that you want. For example, phone link, which I have disabled right now. I can right click on it and enable it, and now it's going to be enabled, or I can disable it. So that's it. Step 3, startup services. For this step, click Windows and R, then a little window is going to pop up on the bottom left corner. Then in the search box or text box, type msconfig and click OK. When you've done that, this window is going to pop up. Click on Selective Startup and check. Then go to Services, then check Hide All Microsoft Services so you don't break your computer doing this. Then uncheck any box you want. This is depending on what apps you use and what services you want to open up when you open up your computer. But be sure to not turn off any services that have NVIDIA, AMD, Ryzen, or Intel in their names, because those are the services that make your computer run. And when you've done everything, and now I'm gonna check this box and check these, like Overwolf. I'm not gonna use that, and IQ options updater. And then click apply, then OK, and we're done. Step 4, optimize drives. Click on your search box and type in defragment. Then click on defragment and optimize drives. Then this window is going to pop up. Click on any drive you want. Then click optimize. Wait for it to optimize. This is just going to make your starting up apps and starting up your computer faster. Do it on both of your drives, so on every single app that you have, or any drive you have. If you can have 1 drive, 2 drives, 4 drives. And when you're done, just look. Step 5 is cleaning up your temporary folder. To do this, click Windows and R again, then inside the text box type in %temp%. Be all capital, all small. It really doesn't change anything, but make sure it's small so you don't get. And this folder is gonna pop up. Open it up, maximize it, then click on this checkbox next to the name. Now this is gonna select every single folder and file inside this folder. Then click delete on your keyboard or just right click and delete. Wait for everything to delete. And it could give you some errors, just wait for it. For example, this one. Okay, why is it taking so long? I don't know. Okay, for example, this one, just click do this for all current items, then try again. If it doesn't work, click skip. Then check this box again, then click continue. When it's done, it's just gonna say 99% complete again. Of course it does this. Then boom, close up the temporary folder. These temporary files or folders just run in the background and make your computer slower. Click refresh your computer, and click view and show desktop icons if you've hidden them. Just open up your bin, select every single file and folder in there, or you can just click the checkbox again, right click on it and click delete. Wait for it to delete. This could take a bit, a while, like 10 minutes sometimes if you haven't cleaned this up, but it usually doesn't take long. And wait for everything to be done. And it could give you some errors like this one. Just click continue and close it up. We're done with the step 2. Then just refresh your computer and we're done. Step 6 is cleaning up your Prefetch folder. Again, press an R and type in Prefetch, all small. And again, another folder is gonna pop up. This is basically like the temporary folder, but it's a little bit easier on your computer. Then select all of it and click delete. Now just go back, click on this and click skip because it's not gonna work, and close it up and clean up your bin. Then we're done. Next step. Step 7 is cleaning up your drives. To do this, just open up your folder, click on this PC and right click on any drive you want and click on properties. Then click on disk cleanup. When you've done that, this is going to show up. Select every single folder in there, or if you don't want to ruin any folders, just select any of the folders that you want. And there are a little bit of files in there too. There is the bin in there. You can click on that too. Then just clean up system files. This is gonna show up. When it's done, just wait for it. And the page is gonna come back again. Click on it and click OK. And delete files. This could take any amount of time depending on how much storage you've wasted on your disk drives. Or whatever you want to call them. Disks, drives. Just wait for that to be done. And boom. Click X on this. Do it on any other drive you have. First of all, refresh. Do it on any other drive you have. For example, this one. And this cleanup. Now I don't have anything on this drive, so I'm okay with this. And we're done. Step 8, appearance optimizations. Just go to your search box and type in performance, then adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. There are going to be 4 options. Let Windows decide, which I don't really use. Then there's adjust for best appearance and adjust for best performance. I always choose custom, which is the 4th option, and select a lot of the parts that I don't want to go away. Then go to the advanced tab and under processor scheduling, if it's set on background services, which usually isn't, just set it to program. Then click on whatever that was, I forgot, and click automatically manage paging and click OK. Then close it and restart. And we're done. Hopefully you guys liked this video and hopefully it was useful and made your computer faster. Before we go, the Geekbench benchmark is at the end, and make sure to like this video, subscribe, and slap the bell to never miss another upload. Hopefully this video was useful, and peace. And here's the Geekbench benchmark. Before the optimization for the CPU, the single core CPU got 1151, and for the multi-core got 2128. Then, this is kind of weird, for the single core it got 1277, and for the multi-core it got 2045, which was kind of weird. It was less but more at the same time. I don't really care. Then for the GPU, I got 4294 before the optimization. Then after the optimization, I got 4521, which was a 300 point difference. I'll take that. But this optimization video really helps your computer startup, not performance a lot. It helps your performance, but your startup too. It's basically based on startup. And we don't really got anything left, so peace.